And happy Independence Day. Today, the air is filled with the bright joy and the colors of our beloved tricolor. As we gather here to celebrate the 79th anniversary of our country, heartfelt and grand welcome to our respected chief guest, Reverend Father Joy. Your presence here not only adds grace to our celebration, but also in Next, I get pleasure in welcome our respected teachers, the guiding lights who nurture, inspire, and shape our students' future of freedom and responsibility. Today, as we celebrate the sacrifice of our freedom fighters, we also honor your
Cool. Salute. Now we will sing our national anthem. Attention. We'll sing our national
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा गंगा इंद्र हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जय 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 जय